Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. So, we were discussing about frictional force. Today, we will see rough inclined plane. Already, we discussed smooth inclined plane, rough inclined plane. On this rough inclined plane, what is the acceleration velocity when it reaches the bottom of the inclined plane? So, if you are taking AB, AB is nothing but rough inclined plane, which is making an angle theta. If an object is placed, if it is moving from rest position, coefficient of friction is mu. If it is coming downwards, so downwards, how much is the frictional force we said? How much is the force, applied force? mg sin theta on inclined plane we discussed. This is going to be mg. If you resolve this, mg cos theta. Now, backwards, frictional force is going to act. Now, this mg cos theta on the inclined plane, what is the normal reaction? On horizontal plane, n equal to mg. On inclined plane, n equal to mg cos theta. Now, what is the frictional force? Frictional force is going to be always mu n, mu mg cos theta. Now, object is moving downwards with acceleration here. Therefore, net force, how we are going to write? mg sin theta minus m, because it is moving downwards, mg sin theta, of force, frictional force. mg sin theta minus, what is frictional force? Mu mg cos theta. So, according to Newton's second law, net force we will write ma. If you are taking mg common, sin theta minus mu cos theta. If you cancel this m, a is equal to g sin theta minus mu cos theta. This is the formula for acceleration. On smooth inclined plane, how much you got? Acceleration is g sin theta on smooth inclined plane. Now, on rough inclined plane, g sin theta minus mu cos theta. So, if you remember this, you can get this. On smooth, mu should be 0. If mu is 0, you will get g sin theta. Understood? This is acceleration when object is moving downwards. So, what is the velocity whenever object is reaching bottom? So, what is the velocity means? What is the formula? V square minus u square equal to 2as. V square minus 0 square equal to 2. What is acceleration on rough inclined plane? We got g sin theta minus mu cos theta. Now, what is the length of the inclined plane? This AB length we are taking it as L. Therefore, now V is equal to root 2GL sin theta minus mu cos theta. On smooth inclined plane, how much you got? Root 2GL sin theta. Now you got here extra sin theta minus mu cos theta. Now, can you say directly how much time it is going to take to reach the bottom? On smooth inclined plane, how much you got? Root 2L by G sin theta. So, on rough inclined plane, how much you will get? 2L by, in place of G sin theta, we are getting always G sin theta minus mu cos theta. So, in 2025, they asked a question on this relation only. So, time taken on rough plane is going to be n times of time taken on smooth inclined. Then what is the coefficient of friction? They asked. So, we will derive that relation. What is that relation? If you forgot that relation, generally you have to solve like this. So, once you can think with our common sense, so an object is placed on smooth inclined plane, rough inclined plane of same length. Now, you left this object. So, which one is going to take more time and less time? On smooth plane or rough plane? Smooth plane, it will go fastly. Rough plane, it will go slowly. Therefore, time taken on rough plane is going to be equal to n times of time taken on smooth plane, they will say. Time taken on rough plane is equal to n times of time taken on smooth plane. So rough plane formula, root 2L by G sin theta minus mu cos theta is equal to n times smooth plane formula, root 2L by G sin theta. Squaring on both sides. What you will get? 2L will be cancelled. G will be cancelled. If you square, root will be cancelled. Then what will be remaining means 1 by sin theta minus mu cos theta equal to n square into 1 by sin theta. So you can rearrange these equations. So 1 by n square equal to sin theta minus mu cos theta by sin theta. 1 by n square equal to sin theta by sin theta minus mu cos theta by sin theta. 1 by n square equal to 1 minus mu cot theta. So now mu cot theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by n square. Then mu is equal to 1 by cot theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. This one only they will write mu is equal to tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. So this on this equation, this here they asked the question. So if you people forgot this equation, tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square, you have to derive like this fastly. If you forgot this one also, time taken on rough plane, time taken on smooth plane, then you no need to solve this problem because you forgot this equation also. Okay. So this is this year, the tough paper, whichever they are feeling 2025, they have asked. Okay. So is that tough or you really forgot this formula? You forgot this problem, how to solve? You people can think. You have to solve the problems in such a way that you should not forget up to completion of your NEET exam. Like that you have to practice. Therefore, we are doing here 10 to 15 minutes. You have to apply on these equations half an hour problems. Then definitely you people can remember. So this is about acceleration, velocity, time taken on rough plane when object is moving downwards. If it is moving upwards, let us assume, then how the formulas will be changing, we will be seeing in our next class. Thank you.